to my channel. You all know from following me on social media that I absolutely love Adidas. So this week I wanted to unbox and share with you some of my favorite items that I picked up from Adidas. First off, these are going to be some really super cute leggings that were from the Kylie collaboration, and I have not worn these yet, so I'll be actually trying these on for you guys for the first time as well. They're super cute, they're super comfortable, they're supposed to be very like body conscious, so I'm excited to showcase these for you. Next from the Kylie collaboration is this amazing jumpsuit. Oh, I cannot wait to wear this. I haven't found anywhere to go out in this outfit yet. It's gonna be very slimming in the top of the jumpsuit, and then you're gonna go to a nice flowy wide leg on the bottom. I've tried this one on a couple of times. It was a little too big when I first tried it on. I'm gonna try it on again for you guys. I'll be taking this one over to my tailor so that it can get fitted to me properly because I absolutely love this one. This is a size medium, so I feel like if I would have gone in a size small, it probably would have been too tight in certain areas. So I still absolutely love this, and I cannot wait to show you guys how this looks. It is so freaking cute. Next, I'm gonna show you guys this jacket. I'm not sure, this jacket came out around the same time that the Kylie collaboration came out, so I'm not quite sure if this is also a part of her collaboration or if it just all came out at the same time. I absolutely love this jacket. I haven't worn this jacket either. I'm actually scared to wear it because it's so nice, like the colors, and I don't want to get makeup on the cream area. I just feel like it looks so nice and clean, and I feel like if I wear it, I'm one of those people where I'm gonna get it dirty like instantly the moment I leave the house. Next, this is what I've been waiting to show you guys, and I cannot wait to wear this outfit. So recently Adidas came out with this 90s retro like jogging suit. That's what we used to call them back in the day. It's a 90s style jogger set. I had to have the whole thing. I got the pants and I got the jacket. So here's the pants. Now I tried these pants on, and back in the day when we would wear these type of joggers, they had a more baggier fit. So I'm not sure if it's because of the way the sizing runs. I got a size medium. I'm usually a size small or medium in Adidas pants. So I went up in a size because I thought that it would make it, you know, have that baggy look, but these are actually very slimming, so I'll probably wear these high-waisted instead of low-rise. I'm not a huge fan of like mid-rise or low-rise pants, so this pant actually gives you, it definitely gives you room to wear it as a high-waisted pant. I don't know if it's supposed to be, it doesn't say it on the tag that it's supposed to be a high-waisted pant, but that's how I'm gonna wear them. And then also, back in the day, these joggers would stop below the ankle. These are actually more above my ankle. I don't know if that's, again, if that's the style that they're going for because we're not in the 90s anymore, or if that's just, you know, what they want. But I thought this would be cute with a pair of Falcons, which will be what I'll show you guys next. But here's the pants. They're so cute. Oh, I love the colors. I love the purple is my favorite color anyway. So just the purple and the pink and black just looks amazing. And then y'all, look at this jacket. Oh, let me tell you, I love this jacket. I'm probably gonna wear this jacket with biking shorts or with other things, like when I don't want to wear the set together, but this is probably gonna be my go-to jacket like forever. It's so nice, it's so comfortable. The inside, it's not meant to keep you warm, but it is like that windbreaker vibe. So it's super cute, super comfortable. I got this one in a medium also. I would have been a size small, but I love my jackets to fit a little more oversized, so I went ahead and went up a size in this. So this is a really super cute outfit. This is, oh, I love this. I think I'm gonna stay like this so that this can be my thumbnail. Okay, moving on. Next and finally, I am going to show you guys the Falcons. I have the OG Falcons, but I had to have the mints too because I just love the colorway on these shoes. And also I have like different outfits that I want to wear that will match this shoe perfectly. For example, I could actually put this together, which I probably will put the jumpsuit, or not the jumpsuit, I'll probably put the jogging suit with the Falcons together to show you guys in the lookbook. But this also would go great with a pair of jeans or any other like outfits. This would also, I feel like this would even look cute with a cute little dress as well. So that's all I have for today. I know this is a super quick unboxing video. I went through a lot of stuff, but the reason why I went a little bit quicker today is because I'm actually going to do a lookbook. So if you want to see how I put all these outfits together, keep on watching.